Hello friend, and today I will be discuss in this video how to upload any video on YouTube. Recently YouTube launched a new feature, introduced a new feature uploading video. You can see that here and showing here plus button, and just click here plus button here like that, and showing here three different options. First one is that record video, go live, and select any one video, which one video already hold in your memory. Suppose that I want to upload this one video, select this one video like that, and showing here upload button like that, and scroll down and put here a title, and just title my video like that, and write down here description like that in this video. Suppose that this is a description, and you can see that here title showing here my video and description in this video like that, and showing here public like that by default, and also showing here add to playlist, and just click here add to playlist, and we can push this video in particular playlist as per my understanding. Here we can add this video in any playlist, showing here playlist option as well as and also public option, and after that complete all these things and showing here upload button. Right now we can upload this video, just click here upload button like that, click here upload button, and you can see that here video uploading started like that, 0% uploaded, and you can see that here video has been uploaded successfully and showing like that, and showing also here multiple options: edit, save, delete, save to playlist, and save to watch list. This video has been uploaded on my channel, and just click here like that, and showing here your channel option like that, and just you know very well that I have uploaded a video name is that my video no view 1 minute ago. That means showing here all details. This video is publicly video and 28 seconds and no view, showing here like that, and just click here videos. Thank you so much watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe channel and like this video.